Hello students, in the previous class we have gone through the type number 3, category number 3 of the questions. Today we will go with the type number 4, and that is solve for x. How will go solve for x? I am taking few examples for that, and this is the first one. Tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is equal to pi by 4. How will solve it? We have a results for x is greater than 0. We have a result for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we can go with this one, tan inverse 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 6x squared, and it will be equal to pi by 4. Further, when we solve it, this is 5x upon 1 minus 6x squared, and that is 10 pi by 4, and 10 pi 4 is 1. So this will be 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x squared. So finally we will get the result. This is 6x squared plus 5x minus 1 is equal to. This is the quadratic equation. We can split it. 6x squared plus 6x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. And that will be 6x will take common, x plus 1 minus 1 will take common, x plus 1, and this is equal. So we got the two factors. One is x plus 1, other is 6x minus 1 is 0. So in this way we got the two results. For x is minus 1 and other x, or x is equal to 1 by 6. So x is equal to minus 1 is not satisfying the relation given in the questions. Therefore, the result for x and solution for this equation x will be equal to 1 by 6. So it's very simple, very easy, not difficult at all. We can solve for x. I am taking another example for you. This is the second one. And this is the tan inverse of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. And this is half of tan inverse of x. X is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. So further we can go for this. Implies tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x is equal to half of tan inverse x. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So we have taken the reverse result for the tan inverse x plus tan inverse y and tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. This is tan inverse of x is equal to half of tan inverse of x. Further, it will be pi by 4 is equal to half of tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, and that will be 3 by 2 tan inverse of x is equal to pi by 4, and it will be tan inverse of x is equal to 2 pi by 12, and that will be pi by 6. So therefore tan inverse of x is equal to pi by 6. That implies, therefore, this is x is pi by 6 in fact. It is tan of pi by 6. Tan of pi by 6 is nothing but it is 1 by root 3. So this is the way we can go with solving the equation for the x. There are a few more examples, but I am restricted here only. Saying all of you, just go through the few questions which I am attaching with this video, and just complete all the 4 types of the questions. Shortly prepare your notebook, and shortly I will see your answer sheet and all by the PDF file. So for today I am finishing here, saying all of you, thank you, God bless you.